Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make turmeric oil without heat. And this turmeric essential oil has abundant antioxidants, anti-allergic, antibacterial, antimicrobial and antifungal qualities, which works like a miracle on your skin and hair. If you want to know how I make this simple oil, then carry on watching this video to the end, and please do me a quick favor by subscribing to my channel, like this video and share this video. So let's carry on with the tutorials. I'm using only 2 ingredients for this recipe: turmeric powder and coconut oil. Or you can switch the coconut oil to olive oil, jojoba oil, or any carrier oil of your choice. So I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Mix it well. So after mixing it, and if you feel like you need to add more oil, keep adding more oil till you are okay with the consistency. So I'm going to add another 1 tablespoon of the coconut oil, and I think I need to add 2 more tablespoons of the coconut oil. So I'm going to stir very well for proper consistency. So this is what I have now, and I'm going to cover this and leave it for 3 to 4 days for me to get my turmeric oil without any heat. After 3 days, this is what I have. So I am going to strain it, and this oil helps fix your blemishes. It also fights hair loss. It helps in treating cracked heels. I'm going to use my hair net to strain the oil. This oil can be used to treat your cracked heels. And if your skin lacks glow, then turmeric oil can come to the rescue. Just massage 2 to 3 drops on your skin every night with this oil, and if you see how your skin is going to bloom, you will come back here in the comment section and thank me. This oil can be used in face mask as well. This oil can help you to treat your dandruff. It lasts for a year in the fridge and 6 months on the counter. This oil can help increase the elasticity of your skin and protect it against irritation. So if you enjoyed this video to this end, please do me a quick favor and subscribe to my channel, like this video because it's actually free, and share this video as well. See you in my next video. Bye.